Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on the application of Stumble Guys. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Stumble Guys and you will click. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. We'll search about the application of Stumble Guys and you will click here. And then you will update your app if you find update in this blue sign. So please